Ever lost a crucial article just when you needed it the most? It could be at a meeting, it could be at a function, you think, where the heck did that go? I really want to share it. It's now gone, it's disappeared. Well, let's end that frustration today with ClickUp and an extension that's all for free. It's all done in 7 steps, really easy to follow. I've also got a bonus tip near the end of the video that you don't want to miss. Let's just dive in, shall we? The very first step is to create your own ClickUp account. If you haven't done so already, click on the link in the description. It will take you here. Really simple to get started. Click the button, enter your email address, and by you creating a new account, it will actually guide you through the process of creating your first space. So we've already been through that, so I'll just jump to our main area. The second step is to create your own new space for the bookmark. So click on create space. If you haven't gone through that process already, call it bookmarking or bookmarks. Click on next. The description is capture of all content that I find. Click on next, and it'll ask you to create an avatar. You can either upload one or just select from one in their menu. Let's make this private, it's just to yourself, and click on next. Now this here is defining the tasks that you need to run. So I've got one custom set up. Let's go ahead and just do one active status, and let's call that inbox. Once that's done, click on next. Now in turn, ClickUp's, these are different functions that you can activate within your ClickUp list or space, and we don't really need a lot of these. We just need priority, tags, and custom fields. Let's turn off time tracking and multiple assignees. Click on next. We've got these 2 items here. These are what's called your views. You can activate these anytime you like as well. The default that's always required is list, and we've also got the Kanban board as well. Now this is really handy because with the custom fields you can create custom areas and start to manage your bookmarks, but I'm not going to take you through that depth in this video. Once you're done, click on review space, and that's it, create space. This third step is the most important part. We need to install the ClickUp extension. Now in the description, open that up under the video. You'll see a link saying download the ClickUp Chrome Extension. Click on that, it will take you to this screen here, this page here. Click on install Chrome Extension, and once you're signed into it, and once you've connected the workspaces that you'd like to have your bookmarks stored into, that we've created here today, you'll see a little widget on the bottom right corner. If you don't see it immediately after you install the Chrome Extension, just do a full refresh, so Control Shift or Command Shift R if you're on Chrome, and it'll refresh the page, and then you'll be able to see this little widget here. Now the fourth step is really simple. Let's go ahead and save some bookmarks you may find, videos, clips, whatever it is, right? So looking at my screen again, so we've got this article from Medium and we want to save it. So all you need to do is click on that little widget, that applet, and there's a star icon saying bookmark this page. Let's go in and click on that. You'll see here, it's automatically defaulted to the destination bookmarking, and that's the list there. Okay, so you'll see here, that's the title. So that's what task or item is going to be created. So you can customize this. You can say something like, cool article I found that I'd like to share. And then there's and you can see the link as well at the end of the title. And on top of that, it actually captures a screenshot all at the same time. So you can create a description as well. You can exclude it or include it. Once you're done, click on Save Bookmark. As you can see now, going back into the space, the list, there it is. So there it is, cool article I found. And when you click on this, in this item or task, you can see there's the link. So now if I click on that, it will take you through there as well. So straight to that article. So really quick and really easy. Now, step 5, if you're on the go, highly recommend you download the ClickUp app in your phone as well. There's also a way, you don't need the actual app to be able to save the bookmarks into your ClickUp list, but let's just go ahead and look at the mobile view now. All right, so now we've got the app open, and you can see here, this is the workspace that we're in, the Para system. You'll see a link to that video. Highly recommend watching it at the very end. Now what we want to do, let's navigate to an article. Okay, let's go ahead and go back to medium.com, and this is a really cool article. I want to save this article on my mobile device. I'm on a train on the way back home from work, and I'm just too tired to read. So let's go ahead and click on those little ellipsis icons, the 3 dots in the top right corner. Let's click on share, And what we want to do is add a task. You'll see here, it adds a task. That's the title of the task. Let's go ahead and change that to awesome article. Okay, now it's saying I want to create this task in that particular list. So you can tap on that bookmarking list, and that's the status. It puts it straight in the inbox. You can add dates. I want to basically do this when I get home. Okay, and you can change priority, what have you. Once you do that, click on create, and there we go. So going onto the home screen, what you'll see here is all of the items. So if we go down to, let's go to spaces, bookmarking, list, you can see this item here. Now switching back to the desktop view, you've just gotten home, you've opened up your computer, and there it is. Read this when I get home. Awesome article. So when you open up that task or object or item, you can then hover over that link and simply click on it, and that will take you to that page that you're viewing on your mobile device. And this is not restrictive to, of course, links and to websites. It's also anything you can think of, videos. You can even do screenshots and then basically share that with the app as well. So bit of a cool tip. Now, step number 6, one step before the really cool tip that you can do, that you can use ClickUp for, is to how to manage your items and your tags. Okay, so this is tag management. You can even create custom fields. Let's just do it, make it really simple. Over time, you're going to collect so many different bookmarks and items and objects that you want to be able to organize them really easily. So looking over here, if you just hover over the item, object, or task, you'll see this little icon here saying edit tags. Click on that. So this one here is about, medical, physical design framework. Let's just say design. And within seconds, you can start to tag your content. So this one here is about AI. Let's create a tag called AI. And there we go. Now we can start to categorize and tag that. You made it. This is one of the coolest bonuses I can give you. This is step number 7, how to create cool voice recordings and clips, no matter what device you're using, whether it's your desktop or your mobile. And again, this is free. It's crazy this feature is free. Let's navigate over to the desktop. Okay, so firstly, if I open up the cool article that I found that I'd like to share about the medical, physical, blah, 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 you'll see on the right side, activity. Right? If you go down and click on comment, you'll notice some cool things you can do here. Record screen clip, record voice clip. Now this is or upload attachments. Let's record a voice clip. Hey, adding this voice clip just to remind myself to share this with my colleagues at work about a wicked article that inspires creativity through a design framework. Okay, let's click on done. And you can basically send that. Note to self, let's play it. Hey, adding this voice clip just to remind myself to share this with my colleagues at work about... You get the idea. Awesome. Let's navigate through to the mobile app now. Check this out. Okay, on the mobile app, you'll see here, I've got cool article I found, and let's go to that, right? So now, on the tab at the very top, you've got details, activity, tap on activity, and let's just go ahead and record a clip. Hey, I'm on the train, and I just read this, it's blown me away. I really want to share this with XYZ when I get home. So yeah, awesome. Done. Let's send that through. You can see here you've got both the voice clips now. And let's go back onto the desktop app. And you can see here both those audio clips have been saved. And on top of that, what you can do with ClickUp, you can then share this. So if you click on share, and you can say, right, I want to share this link with anyone. You turn that on, all of a sudden you can copy the public link and share that to anyone. So let's just, for instance, we want to email that, or you can do it through the app, but let's go ahead and open an incognito tab, paste that link in, and what that does, it gives you direct access and a public view to this very article and also the voice recordings. Very powerful, and that's the greatest tip that I can give you. And there you have it, simple, right? Now you can effortlessly share and access all of your important content online from anywhere on any device. Now, click on the screen right now. You'll see here there's a video about Para and also about HubSpot. So there's some really good videos. HubSpot's about how to schedule free content. Para is about organizing your life. Check those videos out. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share this video. Really helps out the channel. And I look forward to seeing you on the next video. Cheers.